Cider's ChatPDF feature is extremely powerful, as it can help you quickly read various PDF format papers, including outlining summaries and extracting key information. Open Cider and click on Tools at the bottom of the rightmost toolbar to expand all tools. Click on ChatPDF to enter the ChatPDF page. Then click on the Upload box to upload the PDF file you want Cider to help you read. After Cider completes its analysis, a new page will pop up. The PDF content is shown on the left side, while the Reading Assistance interface is on the right side, with a summary of the PDF displayed at the top. You can directly type and send your questions in the input box below, or click on the questions listed by AI above. Cider will then provide relevant answers based on your questions and the PDF content.